A Lal-Jawab picture.
Very excellent. Nice storyline.
Too good, too good.
Too good. Super. I like the hero acting.
This movie is a very neat and clean movie, और it reminds the old like movie like Anand.
सेटअप दिखा रहे हैं, जो आईलीड के बारे में बता रहे हैं, और दिस विल गिव ए गुड इम्पोर्टेंस टू द पीपल अबाउट स्टार्टअप.
मारवाड़ी और पंजाबी डायलॉग्स भी सुपर्ब थे. The tone was excellent.
It really touched the heart. Sometimes you felt you are living with the character.
जीने के लिए जो भी चाहिए हमें, तो कैसे भी मौत आए मगर उससे पहले अच्छी तरह से जी लेना चाहिए बस. एक्चुअली जिसके ऊपर ये बीतता है उसी को पता चलता है. It's really nice.
The message was really good. Actually, I lost my sister to cancer. She also died in 6 months. She wanted to go to so many places. But we kept giving her treatment. She wanted to have a rabbit, but we just gave her treatment. I like the message. Give them what they want in their last days. Give them what they want. Beautiful message. Everybody should watch this movie. Very, very nice.